So I just came from the gym. I did just do a 5-minute makeup tutorial, so click below to check that out because usually I do not look like this coming out of the gym. However, my hair is 100% authentic straight from the gym. So usually I'll wear it up like this, and I love to use Effortless Beauty's silk scrunchies to keep it up because I feel like it doesn't crush my curls. So obviously let it down. Usually I will have sweat a little bit, and so I'll spray some dry shampoo. This is a Verb dry shampoo, and it has, it's for brunettes, which I really like too because I don't like it to be white and powdery, and sometimes that shows through. So I'll just take this and spray it on my scalp. And kind of use my fingers to work that into my scalp a little bit more. And then now I'll just evaluate pretty much day to day how my hair looks. Usually, I'm trying to think, I think this is day 4 hair. So this is a little bit more crushed, and overall it's wilted a little bit, whereas day 1 and 2 especially, I can usually just let it down, refresh it with a little bit of this hairspray, which is the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray, and I'll be ready to go. So I've let it down. Today I'm gonna recurl a few of my curls that have started to wilt, especially on the underside of my hair. So I'll just start by sectioning the top off. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little Remington wand. This guy is a 1/2 inch. I believe it's a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch barrel. I found it on Amazon. It's super easy. I wanna say it's in the $20 range. And honestly, what I'm gonna do, I know my curls aren't gonna be perfect, but I'm just gonna try to kind of make them a little bit better. Usually for me, it's the curls in the back that are the worst. So I'll just choose a few little curls in the front and then mostly focus on the back. Okay, so as soon as I curl a section, I'm gonna spray it with a little hairspray so that it stays. And now I'm gonna let down the top section. Usually for me, it's the underneath that really gets straight. So I'm going to not do as much up top. There's maybe a few pieces around the face. Also, I'm trying to grow out some bangs. So I think I'm gonna clip them back today just because really I don't usually wear them down. I usually spray a little hairspray and then run my fingers over this front section because it gets a little frizzy. And then for these wild and crazy pieces, I'm gonna recurl and spray them. You wanna make sure that you're alternating which way you curl your curls, because if you do them all the same way, then it will look a lot more unnatural. I'm gonna spray those pieces, and then this piece, it's not really cooperating. It's mostly breakage probably. So I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ear. Gives it a cuter, sleek look anyway. And there you go. So I retouched a few of my curls with the curler. I used my dry shampoo. I used a little bit of the Kenra Dry Oil Control Spray. And then if you want a little bit more volume, You can also use the Kenra Dry Volume Burst, and I just spray this on my roots. And then work it in a little bit, and it adds just a little bit extra volume, and it is that easy to give yourself a little bit of a refresh to your curls after the gym. Thanks for watching.